Thank you so much for checking out the Premium Home Care Plan. This plan is seriously tremendous. You get everything from the basic plan. So you get your 2 free hours per month, and instead of 15% off, you actually get 20% off all the hours above those 2, right? As if that wasn't good enough and a great value, you also get $25 in materials each month. Okay, now let me put this in perspective. Breakthrough Handyman does not do any markup on materials. Okay, so this is 100% savings to you. Now, as if that wasn't amazing enough, it gets even better. We all have projects that will require 2, 4, 6+ hours. If you want, this plan comes with rollover. So if you plan ahead, you know you got a project coming up, save your hours. You could save the 2, 4, you could save up to 3 months worth of hours. So 6 complete hours to take care of a nice project. How cool is that? All right, if you have any questions, we'd love to talk with you. We'd love to sign you up. So go ahead and click that link below or give us a call, 602-938-5415. That's 602-938-5415. And this is the Premium Complete Care Plan.